And you live out here in
McMinnville, yep.
And who's this?
This is Loopy, also known as Yoda.
Ah, and did Loopy win any awards today?
I haven't heard yet.
Oh, when will you find out?
I have no idea. It's my first pet costume contest.
Oh, I see. And has Yoda been an alien pet for long?
For about a half an hour.
Oh, I see. Yeah. And you like old movie films?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
8mm.
Right.
And you
yeah.
bought Star Wars and.
I bought Star Wars. I had an Elvis, and then some like Apollo moon mission film. Hey, who am I talking to? Huh? But, yeah, I can appreciate the old film. I have old cameras. I just bought a digital not very long ago, and I still prefer film cameras.
Oh.
To digital.
And you actually still shoot Super 8s on yourself, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah. All right.
Very amateur.
Well, that's all we are. Well, when will you find out if Yoda will win today? Sometime, maybe?
I'm assuming the judges are around here somewhere. I have no idea. It looks like everybody else left.
Yeah.
So that's all I know.
Well, that sounds good.
I just thought her ears looked like Yoda's, and that would be an appropriate way to dress her up.
Okay, Wade. You like that?
That's into something like that.
Yeah.
Of course. You can only get a bath, and this will all be just a faint nightmare to you.
COWGIM.
RRL, Cowgirl.
Oh.
Cowgirl1 at earthlings.net.
There
you
okay.
go.
All right.